Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning market webcast. Okay, so yesterday we continued this grind to the upside. You can see it better on an hourly chart. They came in, traded as low as 84 quarter off the open. They bought it, took it back up. We see consistent trouble with the round number. Resistance in the area 2,900. They've retraced about 10 handles of that in the overnight. So as we head into the open this morning, we're going to have to see on a retest of 95, 96 if that wants to go resistance, see if they want to go back down and test this 84 area. And if they do they have any interest in weekly pivot? So it's been a fairly weak hour from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. We'll have to see. What the bears don't want is to put in some kind of a higher low versus 84 quarter, then breach 2,900, because the ability to do that is going to probably, with all of the, with all the coiled resistance up here over the course of the last couple of sessions, that has the potential to lift up and over and really start to move a little bit to the upside. So I'll be very interested to watch that. Yesterday was, I don't know if it was a tough day to trade for everybody out there, but it was a tough day for me. I had a short. I didn't buy the dip at the low. I got chopped up a bunch. We got long up in 2,900, but it was just one, every once in a while a tape's going to throw something at you that just puts you out of sync, and I was out of sync most of the day yesterday. And if you trade, those kind of days are going to happen. So I'm looking to bounce back today. It wasn't a super red day. It was a red day, but it was paper cut city, which is what this tape will do to you if you're not willing to scalp it off, 2 or 3 handles. So I had a bumpy day. And a lot of the problem with what I do and what happens out there generally is nobody in my position will ever admit to you that they have a bumpy day. It's always rainbows, unicorns, and lollipops. No rainbows, unicorns, and lollipops yesterday. It was just one big pain in my ass. So we'll see how it bounces back today. Like I said, we got to watch 84. We got to watch 96 on the upside. Right now you've got hourly mid-band, our proprietary moving average, volume-weighted average price, 5-minute mid-band, all jammed in between 94 and 96. So that's your bull-bear line. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Sorry for my voice. I am fighting a cold. And I will we'll have some more stuff out on social. Check all that out. Trade them well. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.